Imagine you wake up tomorrow with millions in your bank account. No more stress about bills. No more working a job you hate. Complete financial freedom. But now, ask yourself this. Would you actually be happier? The truth is, most people who chase wealth never feel satisfied, no matter how much they earn. They jump from goal to goal, chasing the next shiny object, thinking that just a little more money will finally make them happy. But it never does. What if I told you that true financial success isn't about having more, but about needing less? The Stoics, some of the wisest minds in history, had the answer. They knew how to build wealth without greed, succeed without stress, and enjoy financial freedom without being enslaved by money. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply Stoic principles to grow your wealth the right way, without being controlled by it. Stay until the end, because the final Stoic lesson is the key to financial freedom that no one talks about. Chapter 1. The Stoic Perspective on Wealth. Let's get one thing straight. Stoicism is not against making money. Many people think that because Stoics preached detachment, they believed money was evil. That's completely wrong. Marcus Aurelius was an emperor, one of the most powerful and wealthy men of his time. Seneca was one of the richest men in Rome. Yet both of them understood this one rule: wealth is a tool, not a purpose. Seneca said, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor." A Stoic doesn't reject money. He masters it. He earns, invests, and builds wealth without letting it define him. Because the moment you start chasing money for the sake of money, you become its slave. So the first step to making money like a Stoic is this: shift your mindset. See wealth as a tool, not a source of happiness. Chapter 2. The Trap of Money and Why Detachment Leads to Smarter Decisions. Most people make terrible financial decisions because of one thing: attachment. They panic sell investments because they're afraid of losing money. They chase get-rich-quick schemes because they can't delay gratification. They waste money on things they don't need to impress people they don't even like. But here's what the Stoics understood. Detachment from money leads to better decisions. Why? Because when you're not controlled by greed, fears, or status, you can invest with a long-term mindset instead of chasing quick profits. Say no to bad deals because you're not desperate. Stop living paycheck to paycheck because your happiness isn't tied to spending. Seneca warned against falling into the illusion that more money means more security. The real security comes from having control over your desires, not from chasing more wealth. So how do you practice detachment while still making money? Let's move to the next step. Chapter 3. The 3 core Stoic rules for building wealth without greed. Rule number 1. Focus on earning, not just saving. Many people believe cutting expenses is the key to wealth. Yes, frugality is important, but it has limits. A Stoic doesn't just save. He creates value and increases his ability to earn. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts." If you want to be financially free, shift your thoughts to creating, learning, and improving your skills. Instead of just budgeting, focus on increasing your income through investing in skills. High-income skills create freedom. Building multiple income streams. Never rely on one paycheck. Creating something of value. Businesses, investments, assets. Your income potential is unlimited. Your ability to cut expenses is not. Rule number 2. Invest with wisdom, not emotion. The biggest financial mistakes happen when emotion controls decision-making. People panic when the stock market drops and sell low. They get greedy when prices rise and buy at the peak. They jump into risky investments without thinking long-term. But a Stoic investor remains calm and rational no matter what the market does. Epictetus taught, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters." Successful Stoic investors follow timeless strategies like investing for the long term, avoid emotional buying and selling, sticking to proven assets, stocks, real estate, businesses, never investing out of greed or fear. True wealth building is slow, steady, and logical. Emotion leads to losses. Rule number 3, avoid lifestyle inflation and live below your means. Seneca warned about the dangers of luxury and greed, saying, "Wealth is not about having more, but about needing less." The reason so many people stay broke, even after making more money, is because they increase their spending the moment they earn more. They buy expensive cars, bigger houses, and luxury goods they don't need. They chase status instead of financial independence. They get trapped in golden handcuffs, working just to maintain a lifestyle. But a Stoic builds wealth quietly. He keeps his expenses low and his investments high. Earn more, but don't inflate your lifestyle. Live below your means, even if you're rich. Let your money work for you instead of working for your lifestyle. The goal is freedom, not luxury. Chapter 4. The Ultimate Stoic Wealth Principle. Enough is enough. Now, let's talk about the most powerful lesson from Stoicism on money. Know when enough is enough. Seneca said, "You act like mortals in what you fear, and like immortals in what you desire." Most people never feel like they have enough, no matter how much they earn. They always want more, chasing an illusion of financial security that never comes. But the moment you decide, "I have enough," you gain true freedom. A Stoic builds wealth not to hoard it, but to have the freedom to live on his own terms. The goal is not to be rich, it's to be free. The goal is not to have more, it's to need less. The goal is not to impress, it's to live with purpose. Final message, the viral call to action. If this video changed your perspective on money, drop a comment below. I will master money, not be controlled by it. Which Stoic wealth lesson resonated with you the most? Let's talk in the comments. If you want more on Stoicism and wealth, check out the next video. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future content. Your journey to financial freedom through Stoicism starts now. Let's build real wealth the right way.